we got another one. A 1986 C20 Scottsdale Chevrolet pickup. Here at Rick's Rusty Wrecks, we're mowing down prices today, baby. This 1986 Chevrolet pickup comes complete with the new look of rash paint. It has barnacles growing on it. Isn't it wonderful? You too can own this 1986 Chevrolet pickup for a low cost of $49,95.95. You say you don't know where Rick's Rusty Wrecks is? Well, I'll tell you. You take the I-69 bypass, loop over on Doglick Road, run her up 13th and hang a right, baby, and you're here. This 1986 Chevrolet pickup has all the luxuries. She's got tilt wheel and delayed wipers and cruise control. Of course, I don't think any of it works. And it has an AM/FM radio. So stop by today here at I-69 and 13th and pick up your new, used 1986 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale.